ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், நம்ம இந்த வீடியோவில் 8th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சயின்ஸ் ஃபிசிக்ஸில் இருக்கிற புக் பேக் கொஷின்ஸ் பார்க்கலாம். ஃபிசிக்ஸில் மொத்தம் 8 லெசன்ஸ் இருக்குது. இந்த யூனிவர்ஸ் அண்ட் ஸ்பேஸ் சயின்ஸ் வரைக்கும் இதுக்கு ஃபுல்லாத்தையும் பார்க்கலாம். Unit 1 Measurement. First, choose the best answer. First question, which one of the following systems of unit in the British system is the British system of unit? அப்படின்னா FPS, foot pound second. Second, electric current is a base quantity. Third, SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Fourth, luminous intensity is the intensity of visible light. Fifth one, closeness of two or more measured values is called as precision. Precision தமிழில் நுட்பம் சொல்லுவாங்க. Sixth one, which one of the following statement is wrong? இதில் எது தப்புன்னு பார்த்தோம்னா ஏ தான். ஏன்னா approximate gives ஒரு தோராயமான வேல்யூ தான், பட் இங்கே அக்யூரேட் வேல்யூ கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ இட்ஸ் ராங்கு. Then fill in the blanks. First question, the solid angle is measured in steradian. Second, the coldness or hotness of a substance is expressed by temperature. Third, ammeter is used to measure electric current. Fourth, 1 mole of a substance contains 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms or molecules. இது Avogadro number னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Fifth one, the uncertainty in measurement is called as errors. Sixth, the closeness of the measured value to the original value is precision. Seventh, the intersection of two straight lines gives us plane angle. True or false? First question, temperature is a measure of total kinetic energy of the particles in a system. இது average kinetic energy, so இது false. Second, if 1 coulomb of a charge is flowing in 1 minute, it is called ampere. இதுவும் false தான். ஏன்னா இங்கே 1 second தான் வரணும், 1 minute கிடையாது, 1 second. ஓகே, அடுத்து amount of a substance gives number of particles present in the substance. இது true. Intensity of light coming from a candle is approximately equal to 1 candle. இதுவும் true. Fifth one, quartz clocks are used in GPS devices. இது quartz clock கிடையாது, atomic clock. அடுத்து sixth, angle formed at the top of a cone is an example for plane angle. True. The number 4.582 can be rounded off as 4.58. இப்போ 582 இந்த 2 5 கீழே இருக்கிறதுனால அது நெக்லெக்ட் பண்ணிடலாம். ரெண்டு வேல்யூ ஒன்று தான். Then match the following. Temperature அப்படிங்கிறது measure of hotness or coldness. Plane angle formed by the intersection of two planes. Solid angle formed by the intersection of 3 or more planes. And then accuracy அப்படிங்கிறது closeness to the actual value. And then precision, closeness to 2 or more measurements. Then statements. Consider the statements below and choose the correct answer. First assertion, the SI system of unit is suitable system for measurements. Reason SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. ரெண்டுமே சரிதான். Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is correct explanation of assertion. Second, electric current, amount of substance, luminous intensity are the fundamental physical quantities. They are independent of each other. இது true தான், but reason false. Third one, assertion, radian is the unit of solid angle. False. ஏன்னா solid angle radian steradian. False. Reason, 1 radian is the angle subtended at the center of a circle by an arc of length equal to its radius. இது definition correct, but A false, B true. Okay friends, first unit முடிஞ்சிச்சு. Second unit பார்க்கலாம். Unit 2, force and pressure. First, choose the correct answer. First question, if we apply force against the direction of motion of a body, then the body will stop moving. Second, pressure exerted by a liquid is increased by the density of the liquid, the height of the liquid. Column ரெண்டுமே தான். Answer C, both A and B. Third one, unit of pressure is Pascal and also Pascal Newton per meter square. Newton m power minus 2 சொல்கிறாங்க. அது இப்படியும் கூட சொல்லலாம், Newton per meter square இப்படி கூட எழுதலாம். ஓகே, அடுத்து the value of the atmospheric pressure at sea level is 76 centimeter of mercury column. Fifth, Pascal's law is used in hydraulic lift, brake system, pressuring heavy bundles. மூணுமே answer all of the above. Sixth, which of the following liquids has more viscosity? பாகுத்தன்மை. Viscosity-னா வந்து பாகுத்தன்மை, அது வந்து grease. Seventh, the unit of viscosity is poise. Fill in the blanks. First one, the pressure of a liquid column increase with the depth of the column. Second, hydraulic lift works under the principle of Pascal's law. And then third one, the property of surface tension of a liquid surface enables the water droplets to move upward in plants. Fourth one, a simple barometer was first constructed by Torricelli. True or false? First, force acting on a given area is called pressure. True. A moving body comes to rest due to friction alone. True. Third, a body will sink if the weight of the body is greater than the buoyant force. Is it true? 1 atmosphere is equal to 1 lakh Newton force acting on 1 square meter. True. Rolling friction is slightly greater than the sliding friction. இது வந்து false. ஏன்னா இது வந்து slightly less than the sliding friction. Sixth one, friction is only reason for the loss of energy. True. Liquid pressure decreases with the decrease of depth. இதுவும் true. Eighth one, viscosity depends on the pressure of a liquid. False. ஏன்னா வந்து அது வந்து temperature of a liquid. Then match the following. Static friction, objects are at rest. Kinetic friction, objects are in motion. Rolling friction, least friction. Friction between the liquid layers அப்படிங்கிறது viscosity. Sliding friction, objects are sliding. Then second match, barometer, atmospheric pressure, increasing area of contact increases friction, decreasing area of contact decrease friction, lubricants reduce friction, irregular surface வந்து cause of friction. Then analogy, first, knot in a thread, static friction, ball bearing, rolling friction, downward force weight, upward force offered by liquid, buoyant force. Statement, assertion and reason. Assertion, sharp knives are used to cut the vegetables. Reason, sharp knives exert more pressure. Answer வந்து both, அதாவது ரெண்டுமே correct and it's correct explanation of assertion. A, answer A. Second one, second assertion, broad straps are used in bags. Broad straps last for long. இது வந்து ரெண்டுமே true, but ரீசன் வந்து கரெக்டான ரீசன் கிடையாது, கரெக்டான எக்ஸ்ப்ளனேஷன் கிடையாது. ஆன்சர் பி. தேர்ட் ஒன், வாட்டர் slides easily on the surface of water. Water strides experience less buoyant force. இதுவும் அதே தான். Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not correct explanation of assertion. Okay, next unit பார்ப்போம். Unit 3, light. Choose the best answer. First question, which of the following has curved reflecting surface? Spherical mirrors. Second one, the spherical mirror with a reflecting surface curved inward is called concave mirror. Third, the spherical mirror used as a rear view mirror in the vehicle is convex mirror. The imaginary line passing through the center of curvature and pole of a spherical mirror is called principal axis. The distance from the pole to the focus is called focal length. Sixth one, if the image and object distance is same, then the object is placed at C. Then seventh one, if the focal length of the spherical mirror is 10 cm, what is the value of its radius? Into 2 போட்டுக்கணும், 20 cm. Then fill in the blanks. First question, the spherical mirror used in a beauty parlor as makeup mirror is concave mirror. Geometric center for the spherical mirror is pole. Nature of the images formed by a convex mirror is small, visual and erect. Fourth, the mirror used by the ophthalmologist to examine the eye is concave mirror. Fifth, if the angle of incidence is 45 degree, then the angle of reflection is also 45 degree. Sixth one, if an object is placed between two mirrors which are parallel to each other, the number of images formed is infinite. Match the following. Convex mirror, rear view mirror, parabolic mirror வந்து radio telescope, Snell's law, sin I by sin R equal to mu, dispersion of light is rainbow, refractive index வந்து kaleidoscope கிடையாது. The answer mu is equal to C by V. Okay friends, அடுத்த யூனிட் பார்ப்போம். Unit 4, heat. Choose the best answer. First question, Heat is a form of thermal energy. Second, if you apply some heat energy to a substance, which of the following can take place in it? Expansion, increase in temperature, change of state. In the moon may answer all of the above. Third, which of the following substance will absorb more heat energy? Gas. Fourth, if you apply equal amount of heat to a solid, liquid and gas individually, which of the following will have more expansion? Gas. Fifth one, the process of converting a liquid into a solid is called freezing. Sixth one, conduction is the way of heat transfer which takes place in a solid. Second one, fill in the blanks. First, a calorimeter is a device used to measure the heat capacity of water. Heat capacity of water. Second one, specific heat capacity is defined as the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 kilogram of a substance by 1 degree Celsius. Specific heat capacity. And then third one, a thermostat is a device which maintains temperature of an object constant. Temperature of an object constant. Fourth one, the process of converting a substance from gaseous state to solid state is called freezing. And then fifth one, if you apply heat energy, the temperature of a system will increase. If the temperature of the liquid in a container is decreased, then the interatomic distance will increase. True or false? First, the applied heat energy can be realized as increase in the average kinetic energy of the molecules. True. Dimensions of a substance are increased if the temperature of the substance is decreased. True. Third one, the process of converting a substance from solid state to gaseous state is called condensation. இது false. Solid state to liquid state வந்து என்னன்னு பார்த்தோம்னா then fourth one, convection is the process by which the thermal energy flows in solids. True. The amount of heat gained by a substance is equal to the product of its mass and latent heat. True. In a thermos flask, the silver walls reflect and radiate the heat outside. The answer வந்து false. ஏன்னா வந்து heat வந்து inside. We match the following: conduction solid, convection liquid, radiation vacuum, sublimation solid to gas, condensation gas to liquid. Then assertion and reason. First, radiation is a form of heat transfer which takes place only in vacuum. The thermal energy is transferred from one part of a substance to another part with the actual movement of the atoms or molecules. ரெண்டுமே சரிதான். And both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Second one, a system can be converted from one state to another state. It takes place when the temperature of the system is constant. No, இது வந்து reason வந்து wrong. அதாவது it's not correct explanation. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Okay, next unit பார்க்கலாம். Unit 5, electricity. Choose the best answer. First question, when an ebonite rod is rubbed with fur, the charge acquired by the fur is positive. Second one, the electrification of two different bodies on rubbing is because of the transfer of electrons. Third one, which of the following a simple circuit must have battery wire switch? Fourth, an electroscope has been charged by induction with the help of charged glass rod. The charge on electroscope is positive. Then fifth one, fuse is a protective device for breaking an electric circuit. Fill in the blanks. First one, transfer of electrons takes place by rubbing objects together. Second, the body which has the positive electrons become positive. Third, lightning arrestor is a device that protects building from lightning strike. Fourth, electric fuse has a thin metallic filament that melts and breaks the connection when the circuit is overheated. Electric fuse. Fifth one, 3 bulbs are connected end to end from the battery. This connection is called series circuit. True or false? First, the charge acquired by an ebonite rod rubbed with a piece of flannel is negative. True. Second one, a charged body includes an opposite charge on an uncharged body when they are brought near. True. Third, electroscope is a device used to charge a body by induction. True. Fourth, water can conduct electricity. True. Fifth one, in a parallel circuit the voltage remains the same in all compounds. இது வந்து current கிடையாது, voltage. So it's false. Match the following: two similar charges repel each other. Two dissimilar charges attract each other. When glass rod is rubbed with silk, acquires a positive charge. When ebonite rod is rubbed with fur, acquires a negative charge. Fuse prevents a circuit from overheating. 3, 5, 1, 2, 4. Okay, assertion and reason பார்க்கலாம். First, people struck by lightning receive a severe electrical shock. Reason, lightning carries very high voltage. இது ரெண்டுமே வந்து reason and assertion both are correct and also the correct explanation. Reason வந்து correct explanation of assertion. Answer A. Then second one, it is safer to stand under a tall tree during lightning. வந்து false. மரத்துக்கடியில் நிற்கக்கூடாதுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Assertion வந்து false. And it will make you the target for lightning. Reason சரி. Answer வந்து D. Assertion is false but reason is true. Okay friends, next unit பார்க்கலாம். Unit 6, sound. First வந்து choose the best answer. First question, sound waves travel very fast in metals. Second one, which of the following are the characteristic of vibrations? வந்து எதுன்னு பார்த்தோம்னா pitch and loudness இதான் characteristic of vibrations. Answer வந்து C. Third and fourth. Third one, the amplitude of sound wave decides its loudness. Fourth, what kind of musical instrument is sitar? Sitar வந்து string instrument. Fourth, fifth one, odd one out வந்து இதில் violin தான். Then sixth one, noise is produced by irregular and non-periodic vibrations. Seventh, the range of audible frequency for the human ear is 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Then eighth one, if the amplitude and frequency of a sound wave are increased, which of the following is true? Answer A, loudness increases and pitch is higher. Pitchna வந்து ஸ்ருதின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Then ninth one, which of the following may be caused by noise? Noise ரொம்ப அதிகமாச்சுன்னா irritation, stress, nervousness எல்லாமே தான் வரும். So answer D, all of the above. Fill in the blanks. First one, sound is produced by vibrating bodies. Second, the vibrations of a single pendulum are also known as oscillation. Third, sound travel in the form of mechanical waves. Fourth, high frequency sounds that cannot be heard by you are called ultrasonic. நம்ம கேட்க முடியாதது அது greater than 20,000 Hz. And then pitch of a sound depends on the frequency of the vibration. If the thickness of the vibrating string is increased, its pitch decrease. Then match the following. Ultrasonics, frequency more than 20,000 Hz. Then speed of a sound in air 330 meter per second. Infrasonics, frequency below 20 Hz. Sound propagation needs material medium 3, 4, 2, 1. இதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நமக்கு கேட்கக்கூடிய சவுண்ட் வந்து இந்த 20 ஹர்ட்ஸ்லேருந்து 20,000 ஹர்ட்ஸ் வரைக்கும். அதுக்கு கீழே இருக்கிறதெல்லாம் வந்து இன்ஃப்ராசானிக் சொல்லுவாங்க, அதுக்கு மேலே இருக்கிறது அல்ட்ராசோனிக் சொல்லுவாங்க. Assertion and reason. When lightning strikes, the sound is heard a little after the flash is seen. ஃபஸ்ட்டு வந்து ஒரு மின்னல் இடி வருது அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம்னா ஃபஸ்ட்டு வந்து நமக்கு அந்த வெளிச்சம் தெரிஞ்சிடும், அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் வந்து சவுண்டு கேட்கும். அது எதனால்? ரீசன் வந்து the velocity of light is greater than the sound. is 3 × 10⁸ meter per second velocity of light. சவுண்ட் வந்து 330 meter per second தான். ஸோ வந்து velocity of light வந்து அதிகம், அதனால தான் நமக்கு அது மாதிரி கேட்குதுங்கிறாங்க. ஸோ இது வந்து ரெண்டுமே கரெக்ட் தான். போத் assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Second one, two persons on the surface of the moon cannot talk to each other. There is no atmosphere on moon. இதுவும் கரெக்ட் தான். போத் assertion and reason are true and the reason is correct explanation of assertion. Okay friends, next unit பார்ப்போம். Unit 7, magnetism. Choose the best answer. First question, a magnet attracts iron and steel. And then second one of the following is an example for a permanent magnet. Neodymium. Third, the south pole of a bar magnet and the north pole of the U-shaped magnet will attract each other. Fourth, the shape of the Earth's magnetic field resembles that of an imaginary bar magnet. MRI stands for magnetic resonance imaging. Sixth one, a compass is used for plotting magnetic lines, detection of magnetic field, navigation. எல்லாமே தான். Answer is D, all of these. And then fill in the blanks. First one, the magnetic strength is maximum at the poles. Second, a magnet has two magnetic poles, north pole, south pole. Third, magnets are used in dynamos for generating electricity. Fourth, electromagnets are used to lift heavy iron pieces. Fifth, a freely suspended bar magnet is always pointing along the geographic north-south direction. Third, match the following. Magnetite, natural magnet, a tiny pivot magnet, compass box, cobalt, ferromagnetic material, closed curves, diamagnetic material, bismuth magnetic lines. The answer வந்து 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then assertion and reason. First assertion வந்து iron fillings are concentrated more at magnetic poles அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து true. The magnets are so sharp அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து false. ஸோ ஆன்சர் வந்து சி என்னது assertion is true, reason வந்து false. Second, the earth's magnetic field is due to iron present in its core அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து false. At high temperature a magnet loses its magnetic property or magnetism, இது வந்து true. இதுக்கு வந்து ஆன்சர் டி. A is false but reason is true. Okay friends, next unit பார்க்கலாம். Unit 8, Universe and Space Science. First choose the best answer. First question, which of the following is a celestial body? இருக்குன்னா எல்லாமே தான் sun, moon, stars. So answer D, all of the above. Second, Mangalyaan was sent to Mars. Third, Chandrayaan-1 was launched on 22nd October 2008. Fourth, Mars is called as red planet. Fifth, which of the following is the working principle of rocket in the Newton's third law? Sixth, cryogenic fuels are stored at very low temperature. Seventh one, Apollo 8 was the first manned mission of NASA to go to the moon. Then fill in the blanks. First one, the study about stars and planets are known as astronomy. Our sun belongs to Milky Way galaxy. Third one, Mars revolves around the sun once in 687 days. Fourth, Mangalyaan is India's first planetary mission. Fifth one, Neil Armstrong was the first man to walk to the surface of the moon. Neil Armstrong. True or false? First one, the sun and the celestial bodies form the solar system. True. Second, Chandrayaan-1 launched from Sriharikota. இதுவும் true. Third one, Mars is the smallest planet in the solar system. இது வந்து false. ஏன்னா இது வந்து second smallest planet. Fourth, PSLV and GSLV are India's popular satellites அப்படிங்கிறது false. Fifth, the propellant of a rocket is only in the form of solids சொல்கிறாங்க. இதுவும் false. ஏன்னா இது வந்து solids and also liquids-ஆகவும் இருக்கும். Then match the following. Chandrayaan, moon. Mangalyaan, Mars. Cryogenic fuel. Apollo 8 அப்படிங்கிறது first manned mission to the moon. Apollo 11 first man landing mission to moon. Then அவ்வளோதான் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். இதோட நமக்கு வந்து சயின்ஸில், அதாவது 8th சயின்ஸில் ஃபிசிக்ஸோட புக் பேக் கொஷின்ஸ் முடிஞ்சுது. அடுத்து கெமிஸ்ட்ரி அடுத்த வீடியோவில் பார்க்கலாம். தேங்க்யூ.